Welcome back to today's episode of Mobile Editing. In today's video, we will be creating a creative background using PicsArt. If you are new to this channel, consider hitting the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll notify anything we post. First, let's start by importing the photo which we are to edit. Next is to look for a colorful sticker, which we will be using for the design. After getting the sticker, you apply it to the photo you are editing. Okay, you're done creating the background. Now let it sticker to make it unique. Also note that the item used in this edit is available for free.